Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss how to filter the rows from a table using the Databricks and the PySpark. So we have a table. The table name is orders, which is available in the catalog. See, in the catalog there is a table called orders. I'm just copying the path of the table and I'm going here. So in the workspace, right, I'm going to create a new notebook. So in the workspace there is another workspace. In the right side, click on create a notebook. A notebook, a Databricks notebook will be created. Using that we can write a PySpark code. So here, right, I inside the cell I read this table which is available in the catalog. So this is my table name. So this information I am just going to store inside the orders underscore df variable. So from this, right, automatically a data frame will be created. That information is stored inside the orders df variable. Now we can use orders underscore df dot show to display the data of a table. So let me click on the run set. Then script will be executed and the data will be fetched from the table to a data frame, and that will be displayed here in the screen. So it will take couple of seconds because it has to go to the table, it has to read the data. Once the data will be read now, so after that the subsequent steps are very easy and it will execute very fast manner. So it take almost half a minute. Now it's running and meanwhile it's capturing the performance as well. So let's say this statement has been executed. It took almost 10 seconds and still executing, and it started at 9:51. Now the data has been displayed here, see, which contains order ID, customer ID and so on. So around 20 records are available in this table. But I don't want all this data to be displayed. We need to filter the data based on the order status. So I am going to filter the data where the status is equal to cancelled. So I need only cancelled orders. So now we are going to create one more cell. Click on these three dots, insert cell below. So here, right, we use address underscore df dot filter. So here, right, here, so orders underscore df dot status equal to, in a single quotes, cancelled. See, cancelled. Then show. We are not storing this data into another variable. We are just retrieving the data. We are applying the filter to filter the data, and we are displaying on the screen immediately without storing this data in another variable. Okay, now let me run this cell. Now here we can see only cancelled orders has been filtered from the orders df. Okay, that's how we can utilize a filter in a PySpark to filter the data. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll catch up in the upcoming videos.